Assalamualaikum to everyone. So today, my group will present our CSC186 group project, which is Spa Management System.
Okay, so this is our organizational structure. Okay, Nurul Aldrina is our group leader, and Huda, Alif Ashraf, and Muhammad Arif bin Zulmi, which is me, is the group member.
For the current process, first, rooms and staff may be double booked. Second, payment can be calculated only if it's done manually. Third, customer records are difficult to manage because the information may not be organized properly. Lastly, the booking schedule becomes inefficient, especially when there are many customers in one day.
For the proposed process, our system starts by registering the customer information and allowing the customer to choose a spa service. Then, the system will assign available rooms and staff, check for the booking time conflicts, calculate the discount and final payment, generate a receipt, and analyze booking trend.
Okay, this is our calculation formula or logic. We got three formula. Formula one is service total. We calculate massage service and facial service. And the formula two is discount amount. And finally, formula three is final payment.
So this is our objective. We have three objectives. First, we have an automated spa booking operation. This is for to reduce manual work and increase efficiency. The second one is a prevent resource scheduling conflict, and finally is improve business decision making. So this is our scope. We have a 6 scope, but I will take it only 3, which is class, use case, and include. So for the class, we have 5, which is service customer, booking, receipt, and spa app. For the use case, we have 8 step, which is the register customer, book spa, check availability, assign room and staff, make payment, print receipt, analyze booking trend, and receipt booking record. For the last one is include. Book spa service include a check availability, assign room and staff, and make payment.
So I will explain the other scope. For the actor, the receptionist is the main user who interacts with the systems to handle daily spa booking operations. In terms of relationships, the system applies inheritance, where member customer inherits from the customer and message and service inherits from spa service. The booking class also connected with the customer because the booking belongs to customer. Lastly, the print receipts extends the make payment because the print receipt only printed after the payment is successfully completed.
Next, this is our UML class diagram. The spa service class is an abstract parent class for spa service. It is inherited by facial service and message service, where each class has its own way to calculate the total payment. The customer class stores customer information, while member customer extend customer and add a discount feature. The booking class connect the customer, service, room, staff, and booking time. The receipt class store the payment detail and generate the receipt. Lastly, Spa app is the main class that controls the whole system. The booking class connect the customer, service, room, staff, and booking time. The receipt class store the payment detail and generate the receipt. Spa app is the main class that controls the whole system.
Okay, meet our spa receptionist. They handle everything in our spa management system, starting with registering new customer. When booking a spa service, the system automatically triggers three essential steps. It checks availability, assign rooms and staff, and process the payment. Once payment is good to go, it automatically prints out a receipt. Finally, staff can analyze monthly booking trend or reset records. Boom, a complete streamlined spa workflow. Okay, this is our class definition. The first one is spa service hierarchy. The superclass is spa service and the subclasses is facial service and massage service. For the next is customer hierarchy. The superclass is customer and the subclasses is member customer. For the last one is spa service hierarchy. Spa app is the main application, booking, manage, slot and receipt display format for the final bills.
For the coding part, Spa service contains attributes such as service name and base price. It also has a flat method called calculator total, which must be written differently in each child class. The customer class uses constructor to receive customer data and getter method to return the information. Member customer at the body mass status, where customer get a 30% discount if the body mass status is yes. Facial service represents facial treatment. It uses a fixed price, display the facial menu, and create the selected facial service based on the customer choice. Next is the message service class, which also extends spa service. It has extra attribute called hour. The total price is calculated by multiplying the base price with the selected hour. This class also displays the message menu and create the message service based on the customer choice.
Okay, this is the booking class, which manages all our appointment data. On the left, we define our attributes and the constructor. When a booking is created, the constructor automatically handles three things, which is it calculates and the end time based on the service duration, it computes the final payment after applying the customer discount, it initiates a receipt object with all the final details. And at the bottom right, in our scheduling logic, which relies on on static method. First is find available room staff. Our search loop is iterates through the room's staff list. Use the overlap check to see if they are free and returns the first available pair. If no slot are open, it's return now.
So now let's look of a main class, which is a spa. At first, we have our predefined resource. We initialize static array to hold our available assets, specifically 4 rooms and 4 assigned staff member, which will be allocated dynamically during a booking. To store our system data, we set up an array of a booking object that can hold up to 100 records. Moving on the user interface, the program runs interactive do while loops using a Java J option dialog. So we have an option, 4 option, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So when the user trying to click one, which is the option 1, the system calls a handles booking. Then it will need you to input the name, phone number, age, IC number, and the last one is a birthday month verification. This will defines your birthday month, which is likely to use later for applying memberships or birthday discount. Yeah. So next, we initiate our customer object as a member customer. Utilizing a polymorphism after the receptionist input the preferred start hour, the system trigger the add booking method. Here, it validates our 100 slot storage capacity, prompting a warning if full, if space is available, it calculates the treatment and hour and calls find available room staff to automatically allocate resource without any scheduling conflict. So finally, the system performs a conflict check. If no resources are free, it stops and displays an error dialog. Otherwise, it maps the room and staff, create the booking object, and automatically save the data to booking record TXT before triggering the confirmation pop-up and printing the customer service. Next is the select service method, which handles treatment selection. The receptionist is the first prompt to choose a category, either massage or facial service. If option 1 is chosen, the submenu opens displaying specific treatment types, like Swedish, traditional Malay, or a deep tissue massage. After selecting the specific treatment, the system prompt for a total hour required initiates a new specific service object and return it to the main booking floor.
If the user chooses category 2, the system will display the facial menu using J option pane. So there are 3 service options here. So the user just have to put the number 1, 2, 3. After that, the facial service will call facial service create facial type. This method will create and return the selected facial service object. If the users enter the invalid category, the system will display an error message saying invalid category selection and will return null. It prevents the system continuing with an invalid selection. Next, the save booking to file method is used to save booking details into a text file named booking record txt. This method uses file writer and print writer. Value true in file writer means the new booking record will be added into the file without deleting the previous records. Inside the file, the system saves important booking details such as customer name, phone number, and all of that. You can see that total payment is calculated by taking service total and subtracted the customer discount if there is. Then the analyzed trends is used to identify the most popular treatment in the no booking. System will show a message saying no treatments have been booked. If booking exists, the system will count times each service have been booked and compares all counts and find service with the highest number of bookings. Finally, the reset bookings methods. Clear all bookings from the array by setting each booking to null. Then, the booking count is reset to 0. This means that the system starts fresh again with no active bookings.
Okay, so this is our class receipt. First, the class stores all the transaction details using private variables. This includes object data like the customer and spa service, logistic like the room, staff, and time slot, and finally, the pricing calculation. The core feature is the print receipt method. Instead of using the boarding console, it triggers a clean J option pane pop-up window receipt. We use formatting strings to ensure the currency display neatly with 2 decimal places in Ringgit Malaysia, and the discount rates read as a
The
clean.
receptionist need to choose an option based on the task they want to perform. For option 1, receptionist need to enter customer information such as name, phone number, age, and ID numbers.
Next, the receptionist need to enter birthday month details of customers to see if they will get the birthday discount or not.
The receptionist first choose either a massage or facial service. Then they select one of the available service options, enter the required hour for massage and choose the preferred start time. Once everything is confirmed, the booking is successfully saved into the booking record and the system automatically generate and display the customer receipt.
If there is booking error, the system will display this. Then if receptionist enter option 2, it will display the highest booking of the day. Next, if receptionist enter option 3, it will clear all the data. Lastly, option 4, the system will exit.
In conclusion, this Java program uses J option pane, arrays, objects, and file handling to manage spa booking to be more systematic. Overall, the system helps reduce manual errors and makes the bookings easier to control. Thank you!